Welcome dear children to our next video. Standard 6 Subject Mathematics Chapter number 6 Bar Graphs. Children, today we are going to discuss drawing a bar graph. Children, let's begin with our topic, that is drawing a bar graph. Let us take an example to see how the given data is shown as a bar graph. Example, information about the plants in a nursery is given here. Show it in a bar graph. Children, you all can see the table where you have given the names of plants as well as the number of plants. Now this data you have to show in a bar graph. Now let's discuss the steps. Now our first requirement will be the graph paper. So we will take the graph paper. Next, our first step will be to write the title, types and number of plants in the center. Then we will draw X and Y axis and mark O as their point of intersection. Then we will write the names of the plants on the X axis at equal distances. Then the main thing, that is the scale. Now it depends upon the numbers. Now the numbers here are 70, 50, 45 and 80. Now these all numbers are divisible by 5. Now 70, 50, 80 are divisible by 10 also. And 45 is divisible by 5. Now here you can take the scale in two ways. You can take the scale as 1 centimeter is equals to 10 plants. You can also take the scale 1 centimeter is equals to 5 plants. It's upon you what scale you are taking. Then we will write the scale in the top right hand corner of the bar graph. Then we will draw a bar of the appropriate height above the name of each plant on the X axis. Children, I have taken a graph paper here and I have drawn the Y axis and the X axis here. See children. And here O is the point of intersection. Now here I have left 2 squares. Here also I have left 2 squares. You can leave 3 squares also and you can leave 1 square, whatever you like. Now we will write the scale. Now we will be taking here the scale as 1 centimeter is equals to 10 plants. We will be starting from here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now if you want, you can take the scale as 2 centimeter also. Then here you have to leave 2 squares. Means you have to start 10 from here. 10, then 20 here, then 30 here. Whatever you want, you can take the scale. Now we will start drawing. Now our first plant is Mogra. The number is 70. So we will draw the bar till 70. See children. Here I am drawing the bar till number 70. I am writing the name here Mogra. See, here I have left 1 square. So each bar will be having a distance of 1 square each. If you want, you can leave here 2 squares. Then each bar will be having a distance of 2 squares. Now the next is J. It has number 50. So I'll be drawing the bar till number 50. I write the name here J. Next is Hibiscus, 45. Now 45 comes between 40 and 50. So it will be here. So I'll be drawing the bar here. And I will write the name here Hibiscus. And the last one is Chrysanthemum. It has number 80. So I will be drawing the graph till number 80. So here I have drawn the bar. I will write the name here Chrysanthemum. Now children, this we have finished drawing the bars. Now we will name the bar graph. Here I will be writing the topic names of the plant, because here you have written the names, and on the y-axis I will be writing number, because there we have taken number of plants. Now we will write the scale. Scale is equals to on y-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 10 plants. If you are taking 2 centimeter, you have to write 2 centimeter. If you are taking 5 plants, you have to write 5 plants. Here I have taken 10 plants, so I have written here 10 plants. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Now this is the bar graph drawn in your textbook of the same. See, here they have given one information also. For the same example above, we can draw the graph by taking a different scale, that is 5 plants. Now, points to remember regarding the bar graph. Every bar in the graph should be of equal width. The distance between any two adjacent bars should be equal. All bars should be of appropriate height. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this bar graph.
Children, let's discuss some examples from practice set 19 from your textbook. Be ready with your textbooks in your hand. The names and numbers of animals in a certain zoo are given below. Use the data to make a bar graph. Children, you all can see the animals and its numbers are given in the table. You have to prepare the bar graph. See, I have drawn a bar graph here, and I have taken a distance of 2 squares between each bars. You can take a distance of 1 centimeter also. Scale I have taken is given in the question only. I have written on right hand side corner 1 centimeter is equals to 4 animals. Next, the names of the heads of some families in a village and the quantity of drinking water their family consumes in one day are given below. Draw a bar graph for this data. Scale you have to take here children. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 liters of water. The table is given in your textbook. See the bar graph drawn alongside. Next, students planted trees in 5 villages of Sangli district. Make a bar graph of this data. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 100 trees. Children, see the bar graph drawn alongside. Here scale is taken 1 centimeter is equals to 100 trees. Next, Yashwant gives different amounts of time as shown below to different exercises he does during the week. Draw a bar graph to show the details of his schedule using an appropriate scale. Now children, here you have not given the scale. You have to take your own scale by seeing the figures given in the table. Now here the scale is taken 1 centimeter is equals to 10 minutes. See the bar graph drawn alongside. Next, write the names of 4 of your classmates. Beside each name, write her weight in kilograms. Enter this data in a table like the above and make a bar graph. Children, here you have to prepare a table first by taking the names of 4 of your friends and the name and the weight of each student you have to take. See, I have given you an example. I have written names as Gaurav, Saurav, Puneet and Sagar. And I have taken the weight as 35 kg, 30 kg, 25 kg and 40 kg. By using this information, we have to prepare a bar graph. See children. See the bar graph drawn. Here I have taken the scale as 1 centimeter is equals to 5 kg. You can take your own scale and your own figures. You have to prepare your own bar graph. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care everyone. Bye.